Webinars are invaluable tools that help businesses extend their reach, maintain consistency, and deliver a unified brand globally. ClickMeeting is a webinar and conference hosting tool that allows users to customize webinar rooms to reflect their company's branding ideas and elements. The platform supports multiple presenters within a webinar, enabling users to send personalized webinar invites, and includes a webinar waiting area and agenda meant to engage webinar participants before the webinar begins. ClickMeeting enables users to create profile pages for promoting future webinars or events and to host files for download. It is equipped with registration pages to gather information about the webinar audience for prospect lists and to support customer or client relationships. Additionally, ClickMeeting facilitates audio and video webinar elements as it's equipped with whiteboard tools, including text boxes, shapes, and drawing tools. Its user-friendly interface includes interactive tools to make webinars engaging for attendees and cost-effective for organizers. With a few clicks, you can personalize user-facing elements with the logo and company colors to create an integrated brand experience. ClickMeeting is perfect for gathering a target audience to convey knowledge, demonstrate expertise, automate sales, and boost conversion rates. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this ClickMeeting review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on ClickMeeting. What does ClickMeeting really do? ClickMeeting is a powerful webinar hosting software that allows users to host audio and video meetings and webinars, ranging from a few people to organizations hosting online meetings and conferences for thousands of people. First created in 2011, ClickMeeting has since become a webinar solution for businesses leaning into remote work and educational organizations seeking to offer instruction beyond the classroom. The web-based system is simple to use and includes the complete webinar process, from preparation to presentation, interactivity, and follow-up. By choosing ClickMeeting, you don't have to worry about any breach of users' data and privacy. ClickMeeting prompts you to set up meetings quickly, accelerating your progress. The user interface is friendly, vibrant, uncluttered, and does not appear overly corporate or outdated. From your account panel, you can see events you have created and statistics such as meeting length, attendee numbers, engagement levels, click-throughs, and more. This insight will help you plan future webinars with a better response from the audience. You can easily sell access to your webinars, enrich them with multimedia materials, presentations, and additional files, create training series, and take care of marketing with extensive integration capabilities. At your disposal are also breakout rooms, allowing you to divide your audience into groups to boost individual participation and engagement. Benefits and key features of ClickMeeting. 1. Video and audio conference quality. ClickMeeting's conference call had great quality, the video was high definition, and the sound was clear and crisp. 2. Extensive platform integrations. ClickMeeting's extensive integrations offer a streamlined webinar workflow and the ability to accomplish monetization. Its integration with social media platforms allows you to interact and foster teamwork, sharing, and analytics for performance evaluations. 3. Customizable interface. ClickMeeting offers its users a customizable interface that improves memorability and organization. You can send customized invitations to participants to improve attendance. 4. Detailed analytics and reporting. ClickMeeting provides you with statistics or analytics to allow you to see detailed information on online meetings and webinars. This allows you to evaluate data on individual guests and use it to improve the performance of your content over time. 5. Audience interaction abilities. With ClickMeeting, you can use the private chat option, simultaneous chat translation, and toll-free phone numbers. Also, you are free to send personalized thank you messages to improve your audience's experience. 6. Automated webinars that drive more sales. ClickMeeting's automated webinar is just like life, but instead of directly handling your events, it allows you to stream pre-existing content on a timed schedule. This can increase lead generation and boost conversion rates. 7. Real-time chat and live interactions. With ClickMeeting, you can allow your audience to participate in your webinar and make them feel like part of it. Features like audio questions, light chat, polls, voting, and other tools can help you do that. 8. Privacy and security. ClickMeeting allows users to handle the security of meetings proactively. For instance, you can lock meetings using tokens or passwords or open the sessions to anyone with the link. ClickMeeting's pricing and plans. ClickMeeting pricing uses a monthly and annual model based on the number of attendees per webinar session. The 30-day free trial option allows you to try out the software's capabilities with limited features. The other plans include life, automated, and custom plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you'll even get a discount and the benefit of unlimited attendees on all your webinars. Pros: a solid and stable webinar platform with a variety of presentation tools, built-in templates and support for live streaming. Advanced surveys and interaction tools are available for both live and automated events. Excellent presentation and engagement tool. Saves webinar recordings on the cloud and syncs them with Dropbox. Dedicated customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the 30-day free trial option comes with limited features. Conclusion: ClickMeeting is a cloud-based webinar and video conferencing tool designed for businesses of any size to conduct their webinars, video conferences, and live meetings for audience interaction, lead generation, and sales boosts. With its intuitive interface, you can design your webinar from the preparation stage to the presentation stage and from interaction to follow-up. ClickMeeting makes webinars simple to organize, run, and join, and its features help you before, during, and after your webinar. It is fully customizable, and you can connect your in-house application with ClickMeeting using its advanced integration capabilities. You can also customize your account with add-ons and select the features that will provide the perfect solution for your business and customers. ClickMeeting is backed up by a network of secure data centers around the world with huge bandwidth, extensive capacity, a backup recovery system, and full redundancy. Moreover, the platform conforms to world standards for cryptographic algorithms and security protocols. ClickMeeting keeps your audiences engaged during meetings and provides automated follow-ups so you can capitalize on the successful webinar. The integrations are also a huge plus for productivity. ClickMeeting has been shown to be the most effective webinar tool for automated workflows at a fair price. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with ClickMeeting. If you enjoyed this ClickMeeting review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.